Gano'ng katagal to na?
Found the small version. Na-evacuate kami. Emergency! Emergency! Hi everyone! Another day, another gala, and this is our second vlog for the Queensland series.
Hangad ko ang kasiyahan ng ating mga kababayang Malinenyo.
So, ito na yung next batch ng gala namin sa Queensland na hindi ko nasama sa other vlogs. So, ang first stop natin is Rockhampton Zoo for today. The last time I went to the zoo was like 6 years ago. Nung nag-Australia zoo kami. It's been ages kasi hindi ako mahilig sa zoo. I'm not very fond of animals. Rockies. Ayan siya, guys. Yeah. So if you haven't realized, this is a free walk-in zoo and it's pretty nice. The only thing is when pumunta kami, tanghaling tapat siya and nagre-rest yung mga animals. So yung iba di namin nakita. Sila nanay daw gusto makita ng kangaroo. So we're going to the kangaroo area. So we went to see the kangaroos but they were very chill kasi nagre-rest sila nung time na yun. So we couldn't really see much footage of them moving around but here they are.
Nay, sige, bilisan nyo. Lakad na kayo, Nay. Habang hindi ko makawala.
Tapos gumalaw talaga. A big crocodile.
Matras ka rito.
Dito ka na yun. So we're gonna go to Yipon to eat because we're all hungry.
I am.
Are you hungry? I'm hungry. I've been hungry since we were in the car. But yeah. So we're gonna eat lunch and then maybe go back to the hotel and then change and then go swimming. We're excited for swimming. Guys, gutom na ang mga person. Umala kami sa sa parang gasoline station. Bumili kami itong akong chicken na spicy. Sila parang tenders, ganyan. Yeah, nuggets. I have chicken, spicy chicken. Guys, so we're here at Yipon and papalit na kami ng slippers. I don't even know why I wore shoes kung mag-slippers din pala. But I thought kasi mag-picture muna or mag-hotel para mag-ano ng shoes. Pero okay, so this is like a lagoon slash pool type thing. Very hot. Ayan, may park area.
Now, hi guys, my dad nag-cook yesterday.
Barbecue.
Barbecue sa kanila.
We're gonna go swimming. Let's see kung itsura ng pool. Hi guys, sa pool. Dahil mga ano kasi ngayon mainit. So, everyone's in the pool. Ganun dito diba ang mga Pilipino, pag mainit, ayaw mag-pool. Dito, pag mainit, gusto nila, pag 30 degrees, gusto nila mag-beach. So many people, but this is what it looks like. Para siyang pool.
I'm staying with you. I'm staying with you. Hi.
I'm gonna swim now. So So, itong clip na to, ito yung clip nung binigay ko kay mama yung camera mula sa gilid ng pool kasi natatakot ako baka mahulog ko. But I thought it's cute, so I'll just add it here as well.
Gano'ng katagal to, nak? My God.
Guys, so we're done after a day of swimming. Tapos na nagaya mag-swim. And yung hair ko na naman. Kasi yung eyes ko parang like blurry for some reason. Like, I don't know what happened. We're done swimming. We're the last ones to finish.
Yeah. I love swimming so much I didn't want to stop.
She does. She did.
I had to.
We're gonna go to the hotel in a bit, probably. Ew, hey,
We're going
to our
Yes.
for a night
A night.
stay.
Yeah. We don't have time to get home.
So sorry sa angle because ang dami kong dala that time. But as we've said, we stayed for a night dito sa hotel or staycation place kasi may gusto pa kami puntahan kinabukasan. But kung mag-uwi kami, it's a 2-hour drive back home and pabalik. So nagstay na lang kami dito and this was literally a hike kasi super taas ng hagdan na yan. Ang daming step. Yung hat ko nahulog. Wow, room tour. My hair. So bad. It's actually really nice. Not bad. Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa hotel or holiday apartment, which is what they call it. Dito lang kami magsistay for one night kasi yung drive back home is 2 hours, which is honestly not that long. Kaya lang nga, like, sayang naman yung pinunta namin dito if we're just gonna go isang trip lang and isa lang yung pupuntahan namin. So, nag-decide kami na magstay lang for tonight, tapos tomorrow gala-gala dito around the area. Tapos, balik na. Ganun. So, yun yung ano namin, deal. Yan, may mga visitors si Papa dun sa labas, kaya I'm just here vlogging. Tomorrow, daw mag-church kami, so we'll see. I don't think I'll vlog that, but mag-church kami tomorrow and then magpupunta kami sa shopping center dito kasi compared dun sa shopping center na malapit kina tita ko, this shopping center is a bit bigger, so I think we're gonna go there tomorrow. Maybe do some shopping if I find things that I like. So, yeah, I always love a shopping center or a mall trip. So, may dala akong clothes. That's why. So, ito pala yung room namin if I forgot to tell you guys and show you. Ayan. And, ayan yung mga gamit kong makalat. So, but yeah, anyways guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna say goodnight na. So, bye-bye. Kasi lobat na kayo. Okay guys, so we're checking out today. And ito na naman ang ating mga bitbitin. As you can see. I'm carrying a lot of stuff. Hindi ko pa nabitbit yung phone ko guys. Ito yung phone. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ganda pala niya guys. So, this is the view from up here. Tapos, ayan yung sasabi ko guys na hagdan. Na super, ano.
Next, Kyla. Next, Hazel. Ikaw yan naman.
Check out selfie. Baby Lance. So, we're here at Stockland sa Rahampon. So, para siyang shopping center. It is a shopping center. Hindi siya parang. Shopping center siya. Ayan, pagpasok, Kmart. Kmart branch. Guys, we went to Kmart. And then, we're just looking at the clearance section. Pero, wala ko sa mood pumili ng anything here at Kmart. So, yeah. Wala ko sa mood. Pero may crispy marshmallows sila. Parang gusto ko i-try. Pero wala talaga ako sa mood. Sige, pero maghahanap ako. Wala sa mood, pero naghahanap. Guys, ito yung viral sa TikTok na crispy marshmallows. Ayan o. Crispy.
Ganda ng lagayan.
O anong gusto mong flavor? Gusto niya yung lagyanan. Ako gusto ko yung try. Ito nakikita ko sa TikTok. Ito, rainbow crispy. Kaso lemon. Masarap kaya ito, lemon. So, nagputong ang mga persons again. Okay. This is their bubble tea. Naku, parang ano ba? Boba nila.
Nanay kayo, sir.
Natin kung masarap ang boba nila.
In-orderan siya.
Yeah, okay na lang.
Ito, kay nanay ko na.
Ay, meron na pa siya.
Kay nanay na lang ko kasi ayoko.
Ano yung brown sugar yun?
Kape ninyo pa. Ay, hindi kami nakaintindihan ni Bobby.
Nasa siyang milk
Sabi ko
tea.
kasi kape pa iniinom.
Pero hindi masarap yung pearl. So, these are the Crocs that they have. Etong dirty white na beige. Beige. Ayan. It's all Crocs. Tapos, bibili ka pa ng Jibbitz. $30 each yung Jibbitz.
Mahal. Para sa akin, ganito pwede na.
Ayan.
Takad yan. Ganyan. Yan, ganyan. Ganyan tayo.
Gusto mong Jibbitz?
Kung nilalagay sa bukas.
Oo. Yung katulad kay Kayla, ganun. Bili tayo sa AliExpress. Kasi mahal yung totoo eh. We're looking at shirts for pasalubong ni nanay. Kasi si nanay ay uwi siya in a few months ng Pilipinas. So, ayan, naghahanap kami ng mapapasalubong. Or anything here, really. We're just looking.
Hindi natin kasi alam ang size.
I really wanna check. Sige, dyan muna kayo. Mag-check ako ng headphones. Take your time. Huwag na ko iwan na. Check ako ng headphones. Okay, mag-check ako ng headphones. Sa JB. Guys, the Sony headphones. Parang malaki siya. Ito ba yung WHS something?
Pwede siya ito.
So, I was looking for headphones here kasi I don't like how yung current headphones ko, I don't like how it looks in my head. So, gusto ko lang ito makitang Sony if it would look good on me. Eto, tsaka yung AirPods Max ang kinukonsider ko kasi may purple yung AirPods Max pero wala silang display during that day so hindi ko siya na-compare and na-try. And while I was at JB Hi-Fi that day and alam ko nagsisell sila ng K-pop albums, I decided to check what they have kasi different state to. So malay mo may better selection sila ng K-pop albums. Specifically BTS albums na wala pa ako. Oh my gosh. B album. Ancient Artifact. I haven't seen this in stores. I haven't seen a BTS album in JB Hi-Fi in so long. Tagal na kasi laging wala sa amin. Yo, I have beef. In fairness sa JB Hi-Fi na to, fully stock sila sa mga abubot. Ang dami talaga. Meron pa nga sila nung Wicked journal na to. And natuwa ako kasi obsessed ako sa Wicked that time. Tsaka Wizard of Oz. Kasi nga diba yung nag-Brisbane kami, puro Wicked. Ang dami guys. Grabe yung wall nila dito ng Funkos. Help me find BTS ones. Something... They have pom-pom po rin Funko Pop. Anyways guys, ngayon nag-i-edit ako, natatawa ako kasi ngayon ko lang nakita na yung katabi pala dyan ni Donald Duck is a BTS Funko Pop na minion version ni Suga, I think. Or RM. I think Suga na PTD. And natatawa ako kasi hindi ko talaga siya nakita during that time. Ngayon lang ini-edit ko. Siguro kasi nakafocus ako kay Pam Pam Purin. Pero ayan lang siya. O, nakagay pa ng camera. I'm looking for a BTS.
About this? Yeah, it's
I bought, what did I buy? I bought, you know the crispy marshmallows from Kmart?
Yeah.
They're viral on TikTok, right? And we're gonna try them later. I haven't tried them.
I also have like some. I also got like a book.
A book?
And just like a small stationery.
The only thing I bought was a crispy marshmallow and food. I bought food.
I bought like bought like 4 things.
I'm gonna do online shopping if I don't buy anything today. To just get rid of the shopping itch. But yeah, she got her. Yeah. I buy so many things. I get parcels like every day.
Parcels?
Every day.
Yeah, that would be happening last time.
Yeah. Okay. They're buying shoes for your kuya
Or my dad.
or your dad.
My
from
dad
Foot
or my
Locker.
brother.
Yeah, from Foot Locker.
My dad or my brother.
Are you gonna buy your school shoes? You are?
Maybe.
And this is where we probably spent most of our time. So, sa TK Maxx, gusto namin i-check kasi meron din dito nito. Pero, nakalocated siya sa shopping center na hindi talaga namin madalas puntahan. So, never pa kami nakapunta since nag-open siya. And gusto ko lang din makita kung ano yung hype about sa kanya. Kasi sa US, di ba, super hype tong mga discount stores na to. Like, nagtataguan talaga ng mga things. I actually have Kat Von D's makeup. I thought that was just a US thing. Pero meron din pala dito. Makahanap ako ng Jeffree Star. OPI nail polish, $29. It's expensive. Oh, cute nails. For Valentine's. OPI nails. Oh my god. Let's see if there's cute. Guys, look. Owala dupe. Owala dupe. I would totally be happy with this if I didn't buy an Owala. Oversized bag. Hindi bagay sa akin. I don't have the physique for it. Found the smaller version. It vibes. So, congratulations if you made it to this part of the video dahil na maririnig nyo ang napakaganda kong kwento. So, anyways, yung clip na pinagsasabi ko dito, iba yon, kaya lang hindi naman siya importante. So, I'm just gonna do a voiceover. So, nag-decide kami bumalik sa food court or pumunta sa food court kasi nga nagugutom na yung pinsan ko. So, after na mag-order, paupo na kami, kakain na kami, kumakain na kami, biglang nag-announce na emergency, please evacuate now. So, nung una, akala namin false alarm lang siya. Pero biglang yung mga tindahan, nagsasara na sila. So, nagulat kami. So, ayun, nagmadali na kami na pumunta, bumalik sa car park kung saan kami nanggaling, dun sa entrance kanina. And ayun, nakakatakot lang siya kasi grabe yung pag-announce nila ng emergency. Like, yung siren talaga nakakataranta. Pero kalmado lang din naman naglakad yung mga tao. Wala namang tumatakbo or anything like that. Diba? Tignan nyo yung sound na yun. Diba? Parang nakakatakot siya na ewan. Pero nakita ko sa Facebook, parang may nag-leak lang daw sa ceiling na tubig. And baka electrical concerns or something. Kaya nila pina-evacuate lahat. Evacuate kami.
Kinabahan kayo, Nay.
Na-evacuate kami.
Okay lang.
So, na-evacuate kami. Kasi nag-warning, kumakain kami sa food court. Tapos nag-warning. Shopping trip was cut short. Kasi nagka-emergency. We don't know what emergency it is. Emergency. Paging masterpiece. Emergency.
Bumibombero yan.
Okay. Probably something. We'll find out later. We'll research. Find out what happened.
Find out the next
video.
Crazy like kaleidoscope, blurring my vision, lead me on with invisible. Oh, you give me just enough to hold.